Welcome to CCNTv News, your premier source for local and international news. From the streets of Kingston to the capitals of the world, we are ready to cover you stories that shape our world. Politics in Jamaica is no longer only fought in Parliament. It's now fought on YouTube, live, uncensored, and profitable. Today, we aren't just ranking who Jamaicans listen to the most. We're also revealing who is quietly earning big from political influence. From super chats to memberships to overseas donations. These are the top political YouTube channels in Jamaica right now and their realistic income potential. Stay to the end because number one earns more than most people imagine. Welcome back to CCNWORL TV News, your home for Jamaica's digital power ranking. This list is based on live viewers, subscriber size, engagement, diaspora support, donation culture, upload consistency. Now let's count down Jamaica's top listened to political YouTube channels with their realistic earnings. Number 10, third term loading. 8.5k subscribers, Daily Political Live. This channel has a small but fiercely loyal base. Estimated monthly income, ad revenue, 250 to 450 USD. Super chats and stars, 300 to 800 USD. Total estimate, 600 to 1200 USD per month. Strong grassroots engagement, growing influence but still in early monetization stage. Number 9, hot off the press. 39k subscribers, political drama and live shows. This channel thrives on viral political scandals and emotional reactions. Estimated monthly income, ad revenue, 1,200 to 2,500 USD. Super chats, donations, 1,000 to 3,000 USD. Total estimate, 2,500 to 5,500 USD per month. One of the best drama to donation converter in Jamaica's political niche. Number 8, Talk Sense Media. 7.6k subscribers, analytical political debate. Smaller audience, but high quality viewership. Estimated monthly income, ads 200 to 500 USD. Donations and memberships, 150 to 600 USD. Total estimate, 400 to 1,000 USD per month. Low drama, but steady and trusted income flow. Number 7, The Phoenix King. 18k subscribers, strong political activism. High social engagement, heavy diaspora viewership. Estimated monthly income, 700 to 1,500 USD. From ads, super chats or Patreon cash app, 900 to 2,000 USD. Total estimate, 1,700 to 3,500 USD per month. This channel is powered by loyal political believers who fund the message. Number 6, Jamaican Politics in Jamaica. 48k subscribers, party-aligned political machine, massive content output, heavy live stream traffic, estimated monthly income, ads 1,500 to 3,500 USD. Memberships and political donations, 1,200 to 3,000 USD. Total estimate, 2,800 to 6,500 USD per month. One of the most financially stable political YouTube operations in Jamaica. Number 5, Jamaica Hot Topic. 59k subscribers, long political live marathons, a live stream giant, massive nightly participation, estimated monthly income, ads 2,000 to 4,000 USD. Stars or super chats, PayPal, 2,000 to 5,000 USD. Total estimate, 4,500 to 9,000 USD per month. Hot Topic earns heavily from emotion-driven live audiences. Number 4, Reason with Ratigan, veteran journalist platform. Credibility brings elite advertisers and serious supporters. Estimated monthly income, Ads 2,500 to 5,000 USD. Donations and brand partnerships 1,500 to 4,000 USD. Total estimate 4,000 to 8,500 USD per month. This is professional grade political media built on YouTube. Number 3, Dionne Jackson Miller, 44K subscribers, legal political powerhouse. Her audience is educated, overseas based, and financially strong. Estimated monthly income adds 2,000 to 4,500 USD. Super Chats membership, professional speaking spillover, 2,000 to 5,000 USD. Total estimate 4,500 to 9,500 USD per month. She's among the highest earning female political voices in Jamaica's digital space. And number 2, Jamaica Politics Uncovered 2.0, 54K subscribers, political war room live shows, massive live audiences, and frequent trending topics. Estimated monthly income adds 3,000 to 6,500 USD. Donation and memberships 3,000 to 7,000 USD. Total estimate 6,500 to 13,000 USD per month. This channel operates like a full-time digital political broadcasting station. And finally, number 1, PDTv News Jamaica. Andre Stevens, 80K plus subscribers, Jamaica's biggest political YouTube powerhouse. Unmatched consistency, massive diaspora funding, daily live programming, estimated monthly income 11,000 to 24,000 USD per month. That is 130,000 to 280,000 USD per year from political digital media alone. Andre Stevens currently runs the most profitable political YouTube channel in Jamaica. These channels don't just shape opinions anymore. They shape money, power, and political influence. From small grassroots voices earning a few hundred a month to digital giants pulling down 5-figure monthly incomes, Jamaican politics has officially gone fully digital. If you enjoy this breakdown, subscribe to CCNWORL TV News and comment below. Which political YouTuber do you trust the most? And who do you think is underranked? Until next time, stay informed, stay sharp, stay Jamaican.